A terrifying, potentially deadly virus is making its way through the Midwest. It's targeting kids. It's already made hundreds sick from Colorado to Missouri, and health experts say it will likely hit here in eastern Washington.
It's called human EnterovirusD68. It seems a lot like a common cold at first, but as 2 on your side's Whitney Ward explains, this virus is anything but common.
Health officials tell me this particular virus isn't reportable, which means that doctors and hospitals do not have to actually report it to the health department when they start to see cases. So really the only way we're going to know that it's actually here in the inland Northwest is after kids are already getting sick. Hundreds of young kids have been hospitalized with the enterovirus respiratory infection. 450 in Kansas City alone, 70 in southwest Illinois just over Labor Day weekend. Doctors say at first it's wheezing and coughing, but within hours, kids stop breathing altogether.
Almost 70% of kids who've been hospitalized with severe illness have had a history of asthma or wheezing. So we want to make sure that those parents are looking out for any symptoms of shortness of breath or problems with breathing.
The Spokane Regional Health District tells me enterovirus hasn't shown up here yet, but experts say we likely won't know until hospitals and doctors start reporting spikes in respiratory infection cases. The symptoms start out typical: fever, runny nose, sneezing, coughing, and muscle aches, but then it quickly turns to mouth blisters and severe difficulty breathing. Doctors say it could be life-threatening, especially in kids who have even mild asthma, and because it's a virus, antibiotics won't help.
There is no antibiotic or antiviral that's going to be a magic bullet for this. So our best bet first is prevention in terms of respiratory etiquette, doing those things that we can control.
That means the best ways to keep your family safe are to wash hands, toys, and other surfaces often. Try not to touch your nose and mouth because that is how it spreads, and avoid getting close to those who are sick because what may seem like a run-of-the-mill cold could be much more. Now, so far, no deaths have actually been reported yet, but again, doctors say the potential is there, so we all need to collectively take those added precautions. The health department also says it will be asking parents especially to keep your kids home if they are sick this fall and winter season to keep the spread to a minimum. In the newsroom, I'm Whitney Ward, KREM 2 News.